Swordtails are a great choice for beginner aquarists because of their peaceful temperament and compatibility with a wide range of other fish species. They are also very hardy and can adapt to different water conditions, making them a good choice for a variety of aquarium setups. As you mentioned, the distinctive sword on the tail of male swordtails is a key characteristic of the species. This feature has been selectively bred over many generations to produce a wide variety of colors and patterns in both males and females. The sword on the male's tail can vary in length and shape depending on the variety and can be used for display and courtship purposes. Swordtails do best living in a group, so plan on at least 4-5 individuals per aquarium. You are welcome to mix different varieties together, but be ready for a swarm of baby swordtails if you mix males and females. Being live-bearing fish, swordtails can reproduce very quickly, reaching sexual maturity as early as 3 months of age. Some potential tank mates include neon tetras, coolie loach, or corridoras. Swordtails do well in many different aquarium setups. These easygoing fish are good for beginners and a colorful addition to any community tank. They are active fish, so make sure there are not too many decorative items in their way. The best combination for swordtails is to keep your decor and plants to the lower half to 2-3 of your tank, and leave the top of the tank open for active swimming. Male swordtails may take up territory and become aggressive towards other fish. Be sure to have plenty of room for all your swordtails despite their small size. It may help to add fake or live plants to give your fish more hiding areas. Swordtails are omnivores that enjoy a varied diet. Depending on the water temperature, you may need to feed your fish 2-3 times per day. Many tropical fish like to forage throughout the day, so fewer feedings are not ideal for swordtails. Swordtails do well on most community micropelleted diets, and also enjoy occasional frozen and freeze-dried treats. Overall, swordtails are a great addition to a community aquarium and can provide years of enjoyment for aquarists of all levels. If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel and like it. Goodbye.